Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Hardy, registered naturopathic doctor and creator of vitalitynaturalhealth.ca and the Nourishing Mamas Naturopathic Healthcare series. Welcome to today's meditation for reconnecting with the rhythm of nature. To begin, find a quiet space where you will not be disturbed and settle into a comfortable seated or laying position, ensuring that your spine is as straight as possible. Move your attention inward to your breath, noticing the sensations of the air moving in and out. Gradually slow your breath, inhaling for a count of 3, filling your belly, ribs, and chest, and exhaling for a count of 6. Inhale 2, 3, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue a few more breaths on your own. As you allow yourself to go deeper into a state of relaxation, remember a time when you stood before a pond or lake, noticing how quiet and peaceful it was. You may have dropped a pebble into it, noticing the ripples rippling out, one ripple after another, flowing outward farther and farther. Slowly the water returned to its original calm and peaceful way. I invite you to imagine that your body is like that body of water. As you drop a pebble into the center of your body, you can feel the ripples of relaxation, rippling out throughout your body, through your torso, into your chest and your back, up through the vertebrae and spreading out into each and every muscle, through your shoulders and arms, up through your neck, your jaw, face, and scalp. Feeling those ripples just relax as your muscles let go and become soft and loose. Drop another pebble into the center of your body and feel the ripples of relaxation flow down to the bottom of your torso, flowing through your abdomen, your pelvis, and down through your thighs, calves, ankles, and toes. Know that each time you drop a pebble into the center of your body, you become more and more relaxed. As you become more relaxed, you find yourself becoming more quiet and peaceful. Now, imagine yourself standing on the beach by the ocean. Listen to the sound of the waves. There is rhythm. Look out at the ocean waves, approaching the shore, arriving and receding. There is rhythm. As you stand there, feet in the warm sand, feel the movement of your breath in and out. There is rhythm. Take a few more moments to soak in the calm, in the rhythm of nature. If a thought comes into your mind, acknowledge it and return your focus to the sight, the sound, the feeling of the rhythm. Now bring yourself back to the present moment. Feel the support of the surface beneath you and the continued rhythm of your breath. It's nature's rhythm, with you always.